guys, so today I'm going to try and mount the dump pipe here onto the car, work out where I want to put the wideband O2 sensor bung down here. I don't want to put it up there because it recommends a meter away from the turbines, so I don't want to put it up here. So I've got a bung for that. I've got a new bung from here. I just bought these from EFI Solutions again. So I want to put this sort of down here somewhere so it doesn't melt the sensor and probably hopefully gets a better reading. So as you can see, first step will be to I've just dropped the old exhaust. It's a bit long, so I'm going to have to cut it back a bit so I can fit the dump pipe down, and it joins up to just near the cat here. So I've just unbolted that from the hanger. I'm just going to put this in here, line it up and see where the best way to cut it is, and hopefully there's a guy coming on Thursday this week to do some pipe work and join this up for me. So I'm just going to knit this up loosely so I can get an idea what it will look like down there and where I have to cut. So sort of dummy fitted the dump pipe here. As we go underneath here, let's see, it sits quite well. This is just a Just Jap one. Just Jap at Kirawee. Bought it from them. It actually fits pretty good. Nice and high. You see that's pretty level with the chassis rail, and it tucks up nice. And I do have the RB25 gearbox. It seems to clear that quite well. Get a better look up here. It's quite nice. It clears the bell housing of the RB25 gearbox. So that's a good thing. And I'm just going to work out now where I'm going to cut this and how I'm going to get this fitted to this pipe here. So there's not much else I can do. I'll just have to cut it at this joint here, remake the bracket to go to the mount, which is just up there, and then hopefully this flange can just be cut back and modified to bolt up to here. So I'll have to get the grinder out, cut it off here, and that's all about all I can do. Hopefully it sort of lines up pretty good. Well, that was exciting. So now I've got that off, so hopefully I can get the exhaust system made up to fit into there. And I'll have to make the bracket to join back up to this. I'll just clean this up a little bit, make it nice and neat, and then yeah, looking good. Looking good. So there you have it, I've just cleaned that up. So hopefully, use the pipe I cut off. Hopefully something can be made up with the bracket and reusing that. Or if not, just get a new flange, use this pipe, make a piece to join the dump pipe here up to there. So that's ready to go. Happy with what I've done there. Now I'm just going to work out where I want to put the bung in the side here for the O2 sensor for the wideband controller. So I'll probably have to put it back here just before the joint here, So that little nut, it's pretty tight because it's quite long, but when the hole's in it, that should be able to slot into here and then thread up quite easily and run the cable up here into the computer system, the ECU. So I'll mark that just here. Just there, that should be quite nice. So I've just cut up a bit of the old pipe and slipped it into the cat. As you can see, the system is pretty much complete. Up to the dump pipe, goes up there, down. I'll just have to get this welded properly onto here, and also the bracket made up to hang the exhaust pipe, but that is sitting pretty good. Not bad for a garage effort anyway. So hopefully when I get my pipes made up, I can get this welded up properly. If not, I'll just put a bit of exhaust tape around it and get it to the shop and get it welded up in the shop. So there you have it. So here's the top part bolted to the turbo. We're getting that hopefully this week, getting all this stuff welded up. So I'll have new pipes. This will be mounted properly. A new cold pipe into here. But that was just to get it ready for that event. You can see the exhaust pipes, I've done what I could. So I've cut the old one back, made a little piece to fit there using the old flange. I just got to get that welded in and get the bracket made up to go to the gearbox. And then once I get this done, I can pretty much start working on the getting the computer in. Got a link ECU to go in, plus a couple of sensors, and then pretty much should be ready to start after that. But anyway, I'll see how we go this week, and I'll get an update on how it all went under here and in the engine bay. So hopefully by end of it next week, I can start playing around with the computer. Hopefully get it started in the next few weeks. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, I'll keep you posted.